Yeah, I'm running fast as I can. Hey, where you going? On my way to poppin' with bands. $1,200 PTs, cause I can. Quit that shit, man.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Take TV, and I'm back at you with another video. I'm out here at the pond. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here at the pond. I already caught 2, but I didn't record it. As of right now, my dumb ass lost the keys. So I gotta find the damn keys. I don't know where the hell they at. Where the hell they could be. Don't got them in my pocket. The fish are biting. I lost the damn keys. This ain't it, man. This ain't it, man. All I'm trying to do is fucking fish. I think I found him. I think I see him. This right here might be it. Yeah, buddy. Can't lose y'all. Can't lose y'all. I had to run to the car because I had to get my camera and stuff. Hey, y'all finna get lit today. I'm telling you, they are killing this swim bait. They are killing the swim bait. But look, I'm out here with my boy. With my kinfolks in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's finna get lit today, bro.
Hey.
I didn't charge me. What's up?
Wind is blowing like
Hey,
Bill Long.
let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all what I just did, though. Tell y'all what I just did. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even realized this until now. I just broke in the box, baby. I just broke it in. You know what I mean? I bought a mop sometime, I bought a mop for my birthday. I bought the mop too for my birthday, man. And today was the first day I got out here and got it in, you know what I'm saying? Caught a bass. Wish I could have showed y'all. I took pictures. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures and shit. Get back to fishing. Camera finna die. So everything y'all see is gonna have to be from the Yes, sir. That's all I do, baby. That's all I did right here, man. Reel it in, man. They love this little swim bait, bro. They love this little swim bait, man. Drop it by right there, boy. Reel it in, man. How you feeling? Wham!
For real?
That's all I felt was a wham! I'm gonna hit hard than a bitch. Shit, I see. That's 2, bro. That's 2 fish. Break! Break! I got another one, man! Oh shit, can you see? Shit, I got another one. This is number 3 for the day, man. Ugh, get your ass up here, boy. Got another one, baby. On the swim. Oh my God.
That motherfucker bigger than the other one.
Yeah, this hoe way bigger than the other one. Ooh, what y'all think about it? What y'all think about it? This is number, bro. Oh my God, this is number 3. Oh, I swear today is gonna be a record-breaking day, bro. I'm trying to catch like 50 fish today. I'm trying to catch like 50. Oh my God, look at this. That is a beautiful bass. Lord have mercy. Let me get a couple of pictures real quick, now release them. Oh my God, man. Look at this bass, man. Alright, y'all, I got a couple pictures. Oh shit, I got another one. Oh shit, I got another one, fam. Oh shit, there. Oh my God. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. God damn. I done got a fucking another one. This number 4, baby. Get your ass up here. Come here. Come here. Oh shit, I'm turning bitches up. I'm turning bitches up today, boy. Listen, I ain't even been out here for, look at this, y'all. I ain't even been out here for an hour. I have not been out here for an hour. And I didn't know. 4 fish, godly, boy. Look at this, man. 4 fish, bro. I got another one. Yeah. That's number 4, y'all. Oh my gosh. They are killing this Googan squad swim bait, bro, with this underspin. Oh my God, fam. But tell Bray, give you a swim bait. All right, little buddy. Go ahead and let you go. I want your papa and your grandmama. Go ahead. You free to go. Woo! Let's follow them, baby. Bro, oh my God. Oh my God, fam. Oh my God, fam. Oh my God, fam. Please, get up out of there. Please. Oh my God. Hold, fam. Oh my God, fam. Hold, bro. Oh, golly, bro. This is number 5 today. This is number 5. This is number 5. Apologize. Oh my God. Whoa, Jesus. Oh, jeez. Bray, fam, come here. Bro, you ain't gonna take a picture for me? Oh my God, y'all. Look at this bass. Bro, y'all, look at this bass, bro. Oh my God, fam. He's fat as hell. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, Bray, fam. Yes, sir, dog. Yes, sir. Yes. Ah. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, 5 on my brand new pole, y'all. I don't think y'all understand, fam. I don't think y'all understand, bro. Here, snap the picture, man. Bro, y'all, oh my God. Just take another look, y'all. I just wanted y'all to take another look real quick. This is a big ass fish, man. Oh yes, sir. I'm finna release this bass. Catch you later. Ah, man, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Look at him swim off. I love you. I love you. Bro, that's... Look at him, bro. Y'all, I caught another. I got another one, damn it. Oh man, I got another one. Golly. Whew. Oh man. Oh bruh. Bruh. I got another one, bro. Number 6. Got another one, man. God, look at, I got another one, man. Oh damn. I got another one, y'all. Look. Beautiful, huh? Nice little, I'm telling you, these winter bass is killing. They're going crazy today, man. They're going freaking crazy today. This is number 6, man. Y'all, let me tell y'all something, man. My first love has to be bass fishing. It just gotta be bass fishing, man. These bass are freaking crazy, man. Damn, they crazy, man. That's the phone, bro.
What happened?
Alright, bro, that's it. Yeah, you caught nothing. God damn.
Bro, back here in the corner where I caught that big one, bro.
On the underspin?
Yes, look.
Alright, bro.
Hey, that little pond trash. I done tried.
Alright, I'm coming over there, man.
Alright. Hey, Bray! Bray! Oh my God, this is number 7. Oh my God. Oh. 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 Bruh. Bruh. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Oh, golly. Bruh. Bruh. Another one.
I don't get it, bro.
Another one.
Get back, bro. I want my underspin back.
Oh, y'all, look, man. This is number 7, man. I know y'all only seen like 5 fish, but boy, this right here is number 7. Oh, man. He freaking choked that swim bait. He choked it.
On that damn knuckle.
Look, me and Brady doubled up.
I want to get skunked today.
Me and Brady doubled up. Thanks out. It broke off. He gonna get one.
Oh yeah, he gonna get one.
He gonna get one.
They heated up right now.
They turn right now. Look. They kill. Right.
Double release. You gotta get the double release on camera, thing.
Come on. I wish you could have tripled up.
Oh yeah, I wish you could triple up. That would've been
That been lit. Alright. There you go.
Alright, y'all.
Toss that one.
Go, baby.
You should have tossed.
You finna go. Oh wait. There you go. But hey, ain't a job up today.
Where you going?
What, that's like number 9?
Bro, that's 9. Fish that. That's 9. Killing me. Bray finally caught one, y'all. Bray finally caught one. I done caught 7. I was hoping we could triple up. That'd been nice. Triple up. Bray! Oh crap. Yeah! Oh jeez. Woo! Woo! I told y'all to swim jig, bro. I told y'all to swim jig, bro. All you gotta do is this, bruh. Today, oh my God, bro. Today, oh man. Bruh. Bray. Hey, man. Hey. Hey, Bray. Hey, today has been a record-breaking day, man. Today has been, listen, y'all, this right here is number 8. Hold on. On the swim jig. This right here is number 8. Number 8. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that. Bruh. Bruh. Killed it. He killed this. I don't think y'all understand. Today, oh my God. Right. Catch another picture for me. Huh? But you said I wasn't gonna catch one of them swim jigs.
I said it's the chatterbait.
Give me that chatterbait.
You ain't catching nothing on no chatterbait.
Crazy.
You not.
Take
But where the
this
fuck he come from? I was just casting right there. Bro, these little motherfuckers here.
Boy, I swear to y'all, listen to me. This is the day that I pray for. You know what I'm saying? Catch some nice quality bass. Y'all see them? Without the sun. I don't know what it look like to y'all. Anyway, go ahead and release them. Alright.
Got him today. Son.
Go ahead. Here he go.
Got him today, son.
That's number 8, man. I told Bray, let me put down that Saucy and pick up this right here swim jig, 6 cents. This 6 cent swim jig, man. This right here, 6 cent swim jig. How many did you catch, Bray? Caught 2. Alright.
2 bass. 10 bass total.
Hey, man. Closing out today's video, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for watching. I caught 8 bass. Set a record today for myself. Y'all stay tuned. I'll catch y'all on the next one.